Hey Queens, it's your girl Casey Marie, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick tutorial to show you how to make a hair cream and finishing spray out of family hair. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching.
Hey y'all, it's Casey Marie. So today I'm going to show you how I make a cream out of family hair, just out of the regular jar. And so I just have a mixing bowl here. I have a hand mixer, something to scoop it out of, and then I've also already emptied out this container. I got this container from the Dollar Tree. I just, wipe it out and throw the stuff away. The stuff that's in here, I throw it out because it's garbage to me anyway. And I just don't have any containers. Like I don't have any containers at the house. But if you have containers, just go ahead and use them, because then you ain't got to spend $1 on this. So I don't do the whole jar at one time because I just don't think that's a good idea, I guess. So I just choose to do 1 cup at a time. So first, just gonna use this scraper to, look now. Oh, and please don't make fun of my stuff. Like, yeah, I get the cheap stuff from Walmart. I use the cheap, the cheap serving spoons and things. I just don't see, So, oh yeah, I also meant to say welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, so welcome to my kitchen. I feel like I'm Rachel Ray here, and maybe we're gonna make something delicious. Delicious for our hair. Hair's gonna love it. Just trying to get just about a cup in here. And a jar for me usually lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. My hair is kind of short, so everybody's usage will be different depending upon hair length. How your hair works with the product, but just FYI, this takes me about, I use about a jar every 3 to 4 weeks. I'm just gonna dump it in here just like that. Best as I can. I want all of it. Okay. And I'm just gonna set these to the side. I'm done with this now. So basically I'm just gonna use this hand mixer. And I always start on a lower level first, and then I move to a higher level. Or there's only 2 levels to begin with, 2 speeds, slower and faster, I guess. So I start with the slower one. I kind of hold it up here. Like that. It's gonna get a little loud, so give me a second. Okay. All right. And just to give you guys a better close-up of this process and kind of what it looks like, I'm just gonna do my best here. I hope you can see. Okay, and that's about pretty much all you need to do. You can see it's definitely a lighter color. So now I'm just gonna put that in here. Okay, and you can see it's a little softer. It's lighter, that's for sure. Just lock by it. Oh wait, let me show you. Oops, my bad. See? Just like that. And so that's it for the finished product. Pretty simple. Like I said, I just do it for just 3 to 5 minutes. Probably no more than really 3. Really, it's pretty quick. It's a pretty quick process. And so now I'm going to show you how I make the spray. Okay, so now for the spray. Again, I always do just 1 cup total. So with the water, I'm gonna put 3/4 cup of water in here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start the stove up, because I like to let mine, you know, just boil, get really hot, because when you use family hair, heat really helps the product break down a little bit better, especially when it's in water. And for this spray, I really do want it to break down for me. So I'm kind of at the end of my jar here. It's kind of worked out perfectly for this tutorial. But I just put about 1/4 cup. And again, I got my Walmart stuff. All my stuff costed like $1 or $2, maybe not $2, no. Yeah, at Walmart. So this Walmart, hair store, family hair. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, yeah, got this from the dollar store too. It's like some kind of, it's supposed to be some kind of silkening body mist. And just dumped it out. Oops. So yeah, again, if you have containers and, you know, little spray bottles, just obviously you want to use those. But anyway, I'm gonna put this on the stove, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have the water boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and just get in here. Just kind of let it cook a little bit. And then also my other Walmart essential here.
So it got a little loud with me whisking the product in the pot. So I did decide to cut out the sound, the original sound. But here I'm just trying to whisk in the product, and I really just want it to break down the family hair and get the clumps out. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, is I'm just whisking it as much as possible. And here I'm just whisking it a little bit more, and I just wanted to give you a good close-up of what those clumps look like in the product. And here you'll notice that the product is kind of thick. Now I do have the extra spray bottle, this hairspray bottle, to add more water to it at the end. But this process is meant to basically just break the product down, make it smooth.
At the end. Ouch, that hurt. I shouldn't have did that. That wasn't a good idea. I need to turn that down. Look, y'all, I believe in being real, y'all. Shoot, that was hot.
Here I'm showing you the finished result of what the product looks like now that the clumps are gone.
So after you finish, getting the product kind of cooked, you can see it kind of looks like a gel, kind of like it's, it's still kind of thick, but not nearly as much. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and I've got some hot water in here as well. Now, to be real with y'all, I really don't have this process kind of figured out. I used to use a different kind of spray with the glycerin, but after Emery showed me how to use this as a spray, this is kind of the method that I've kind of come up with that I think works really well. And you can apply this spray at the very end. You can apply it, while you're refreshing your curls, if you just need to get your hair a little bit more moisturized, because water does activate the product. And so here I do have some hot water, and I'm just going to empty that, and also empty this one. And I'm going to pour some of this hot water in here, and just kind of add more and more water as I go, because I'm not sure exactly how much I want to add just yet. Y'all, I don't know. Forgot this. I think it just depends also on what you like. So we're gonna again mix it again. Probably doesn't make a lot of sense to y'all, but it makes sense to me. So this is how I do it. Everybody can have their own way of using the product to what works for them. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Get it in there nice and mixed in. Here. And I'm just gonna see how this goes in here. You can use a funnel. I should use a funnel, but I never do what I'm supposed to do, so I'm gonna do this. Okay. It's kind of thick. It looks thick to me. And I really want this spray to be a little, you know, more watery, because it's like a finishing spray. So again, get you a funnel if you want to do it right, because this is hot water and I just ain't gonna do it right. I'm not getting the funnel. It's right underneath the cabinet, but I'm just not gonna get it because I'm me. Okay, that looks kind of good. Let me see how this goes. I always just kind of just keep going as I'm going. That didn't make no sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna add some more. Just kind of wanted to see how that looked. I'm gonna add a little bit more product and then a little bit more water. You might want to come up with like your own measurements for what works for you, but this is how you make a spray out of this product. And then I put the rest in here because I kind of sometimes do go through that. So I'm gonna put the rest in here. And then I'm just gonna finish it with the water. And you can adjust the level of water, how you want your spray. Probably already said that, that's fine. It all depends on you. Everything about this product really is about you. It's about you and your hair. So what might work for me might not work for y'all. And what might work for y'all, oh, that wasn't a good idea. Yeah, don't do that. Okay, but yeah, let me clean that up. Yep, okay, yep. And there you have it with the spray. Like I said, it's up to you, but this is, you can see it's pretty thick. It's gonna, get your hair kind of through the day. I like to spritz them on mine because I do have such low porosity hair that it's better to kind of keep my hair moisturized throughout the day for me. And it's just a spray. It's just so easy to just, do your thing. I do suggest these spray bottles because, the liquid, I don't know. The water, it really sprays out really even. It won't like get it too wet. But yeah, so there's that. So refreshing. And that's the spray. Pretty easy, huh? Well, I hope that was a pretty, simple tutorial. Same product, just two different ways of utilizing it. And I still use the product, just as it is as well. But it just gives your hair more options and just how you want your hair to look. Gives you a lot more options. Okay, well, I appreciate y'all sticking with me. Y'all have a wonderful day. Be blessed and do y'all thing.